should be north of Mardi Gras. Could be some very strong winds
I
there.
thought you could, because you got rubber on your tires.
Go some
That's what our
Hartsey
physics
Road.
teacher said. Oh my gosh, it passed right through here.
It passes north of them.
Wow!
Uh-oh.
Wow, we can get around it.
As they cross that water, that was just, you don't see very many of those in Oklahoma. But again, it still appears to be a pretty large tornado on the ground. Traveling into
It's okay to touch a power line.
We had power flash.
It's going over the top of that car.
Ever seen that?
No.
Biggest.
Before the flood even gets there, that's how much wind is in front.
Where did that car go? Look at the house. Oh, that house is gone. That trailer house is flipped over. I want to go any farther. I might turn back this way.
Hopefully not a lot of people there right now. They need to get out and get the shoulder, but it's just almost on top of them right now. And this is
Stop right here. Look at that! Look at that house! Oh my gosh! Hang on.
Bethel Acres. Shawnee.
Oh my gosh!